Hello everyone, I'm Timsi Kaur and today's video is all about how I remove my makeup. I personally have sensitive oily skin, so I will tell you what I use and what suits me the best, right? So firstly, to remove my makeup, I start with this Garnier Micellar Water. It comes for $3.49. You can get it discounted on Nykaa and Amazon as well. Well, this is a good micellar water because it has no perfume, no alcohol, and it says it is even for sensitive skin. It removes makeup, cleanses, soothes, and no rinse off is required, but I do believe rinse off is required. I use these cotton pads, so I use 2 of these to cover my face. So I use this product just to remove my face makeup, right? I do have some residue of makeup which is sinked into my pores. For that I need the second cleanser, right? I'll talk about this shortly. Let's come to my eye makeup. Eye makeup can be removed with this micellar water as it claims, obviously, but if you have heavy eye makeup, smoky eye makeup, you have used kajal, kohl, you have used mascara, it will help you, but then the steps, the struggle is more. You will tug your skin, eye area, it's gonna irritate your skin and it's time consuming, right? So the best way to remove any eye makeup, I use this magical product by Clinique. It is Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm by Clinique. This is little pricey. It comes for rupees 3000, but this is magical. It can be used for your skin makeup as well, but as I have sensitive, oily, acne prone skin, it didn't suit me. So I ended up switching back to my Garnier Micellar Water. But if it does suit to your skin, you can go with this for your entire face makeup. And those of you who can't afford it, it's a little pricey for you all, for the beginners especially, you can go and buy Body Shop Chamomile Butter, makeup removing butter. That comes around 1200 rupees or so approximately. So the quantity is less, but you can give it a try. So after I use this on my eye area to cleanse off all the eye makeup, I just splash my face with water to remove whatever I just cleansed. And then the final product that I use to remove my makeup is this cleansing milk by Dr. Batra. This is Dr. Batra natural cleansing milk. It is enriched with echinacea and chamomile. It claims that deep pore cleansing milk and makeup remover for clear healthy skin, formulated by dermatologist. Yes, and it will cost you 130 rupees. So this gives my skin a deep cleansing of the pores, which I could not achieve using the micellar water. And the final product that I use, the regular face wash. Once again, I would like to suggest all the beginners who have started doing makeup, guys, please do not play with your skin. If you do makeup, you look beautiful, but if you do not remove it, you look so bad. Just because your skin doesn't work the way it is supposed to work, your skin starts to age in, and no matter how much makeup you put on it, it will not look good. Hope you like this video and you will try these products, and thank you so much for watching this video and giving your precious time. Thank you. Bye bye.